Why the Ghana bloggers? Oh yeah, what pre one what can send me our friend when they won't be you wanano. I want to mean you wanano.
Best no mucha now. Much about you, mucha milina, no for milina, much milina. We say Bema de more dinning. What's a cra, watching a cra, and Kajaye. We say channel for milina, about by day.
May assure that the UCC girl be went missing for a while. The ma when a body war in Poinoa, Chede. Police for Wakofa now start to investigations. But you see the rate at which some bloggers today
to say Bema wouldn't need dear and equity. Bema will take care of winning acquire fast on Yanisika. We shall campus, eh? And we are commences in a while. A man will be nice and say they be different men and they can't be found on campus.
In the news portals, what started our report today? Girl in way to train a body, way to train a new funanaya, son of China, sabi, way to tune a spare parts in Anna. It's amazing, and this is far from the truth. Official reports at UCC for what's happening. Since our blogger may assure that you funenumpon was American into CC were fraud the Kayanra, a better modern. And for this reason, I respect all your bloggers I will keep because I mean, Mr. Down who will be circulate today, no way training bad way training body day. And 1 hour what's it chrome who knows 1 hour what's it in 1 Please, let's stop this whole narratives into distract investigations. Now all police for 1 year when ejuma. And you see, aside from the police for 1 year when ejuma, yanyim, a rabban of Volta region. Into me assure there. Investigation spiritually has started already. People shouldn't be worried about what really caused it. Again, no Volta region so you nipa de singing and insa woman there. Hey, Iboku, Voltaria naba fala Adam onye yeda. I trust the process in Volta region. Before Ghana police Fubenya were reporting, na was empire ready intact. Now they know how to revenge in a very beautiful way. But in the meantime, bloggers and portrait one share na one say Zoya no kware answer was about to go. No ya what pre one do. Anyway, in case your man so yes, I know. I want a man like this, I want a man like this. And one share ye, 6 years or quadranano years so. We still don't know the reason behind her death. But what's so pay? What's it? One thing answer. But anyway, we're from VJ Park or Richie. Let me know what you think about what these bloggers are doing.